Let's make butterfly pea syrup. Because we're going with proportions of 2 to 2 to 1, I'm going to go with 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, and 1/2 cup of butterfly pea flour. And to start, we are going to boil the water. I've got 1 cup here in my handy dandy measuring container. I'm going to put that in my saucepan, and I'm going to take it over to the stovetop. Here at the stovetop, we're going to bring the water to a gentle boil. Let's do it over medium heat. I'll be right back with you. Now that we have a gentle boil going, I'm going to remove it from the heat, and I'm going to stir in my butterfly pea flour. And I'm going to let this sit. Well, I'm going to stir it in. And I'm going to let this steep, the flour steep in here, for 10 to 15 minutes. I like to go 15 minutes, but if you can't hold it that long, 10 minutes should be fine. And I'll be back with you. Oh, and I'm going to cover it. I'll be back with you in just a moment. Okay, 15 minutes later, I'm going to strain the flours out. I'm going to wipe out the pot quick, because I want to get the rest of that flour out of there. I'm going to pour the flour pea water into the saucepan again. I'm going to grab my sugar, add the sugar, turn on a medium heat again, and I'm going to stir until the sugar dissolves. I'll be right back with you. Sugar dissolved, I'm going to remove from the heat again, and I'm going to allow it to cool to room temperature. We'll see in a bit. Now that our butterfly pea flour syrup has cooled, there's only one thing left to do, and that is bottle, label, and refrigerate. And note that I have these cool little bottles. I love these syrup bottles. They are actually called maple syrup bottles. So, maple syrup bottles. A funnel. Let's see how this goes. I mean, it'll go fine. Oh, that is a rich color. Maybe I could have done a little less time with the pea flowers, the butterfly pea flowers. It's like a midnight blue. It's just gorgeous. And I thought I would, well, maybe I can get that all on there. Maybe not. I may put a little bit in this bottle here too. Oh, I could, maybe not. Yeah, wasted bottle. But we'll use that syrup anyway. Okay. Set that aside. Masking tape, because I've got a fancy bottle. I need something less fancy for the tape. And we have, well, let's put it on the bottle first. Fits perfect. We have butterfly pea syrup, 1 to 1 to 1. And today's date is 03 August 2025, and that's horrible writing. I know what I mean. And there you have it, butterfly pea syrup. Enjoy.